Hazrat Ubaidullah bin Abu Rafi, Hazrat Ali's scribe, narrates that he heard Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu say, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam dispatched me, Hazrat Zubair and Hazrat Miqdad advising, keep on proceeding until you reach Rawza-e-Khakh, where you will find an old woman who has a letter. So fetch that letter from her. Hence, we set out galloping our horses till we reached Rawda to find an old woman. So we asked her to take out the letter. She replied, I do not have any letter. We said, take out the letter or we will strip you off. Thereupon she took out a letter from the big knot of her hair. So we took that letter and brought it to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. That letter was written by Hazrat Hatib bin Abu Balta to some of the polytheists of Makkah Mukarramah, which informed them of some of the activities of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam therefrom. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, O Hatib, what is it? He submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, do not take any prompt decision against me. I am considered to be a Qurayshi, but I do not belong to them. So there is no immigrant along with you who does not have any ties of kinship in Makkah Mukarramah. Consequently, they look after their household as well as property. As I do not have any ties of consanguinity with any of them, I wish to favor them so that they should pay proper regard to my kin. And I did not do so on account of any infidelity or apostasy. Whereupon the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, undoubtedly you have spoken the truth. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, permit me to decapitate him. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, he is the one who participated in the battle of Badr. And do not you know Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, in spite of being aware of the activities of the participants of the battle of Badr, said, do now whatever you like. I have pardoned you. Amr bin Dinar narrates that these words, O believers, take not for friends my and your enemies, is revealed in this connection. Sufyan the reporter says, I do not remember whether this verse is present in this hadith or Amr bin Dinar mentioned it at his own. Sufyan was asked about the verse, take not for friends my and your enemies. So he said, this is a hadith about the people. I have learnt it from Amr bin Dinar, and I have not left even a single word, and I think no one saves me has retained it from him. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4890.